starting off our day with a nice coffee and little breakfast on the balcony. Dylan made some instant coffee and then prepared our little spread. And now we're just gonna enjoy with our view. And now we're about to head out and explore the island of Ciovo. There is like a beautiful road that kind of goes along the coastline, and then there is a church kind of on the end of the island with beautiful views. So we're gonna head over there. So we're gonna go over the hill on the other side and explore that. Pulled over on the road, so this is the last stretch of the road. Is this pretty thin one-lane road up to the church? What was that? Just to take a few pictures of the beautiful view. So Split is actually over here on the other side of that hill. Parked at the mini parking lot back there, and now we have a 6-minute walk to the church and viewpoint. way back from Ciovo, we stopped at the grocery store and got a few little things. We still have some food to finish up that we bought the other day. So we got some bread that has little toast with lutenica, or they call it ajvar here, and we have some wine, some chips, and we're also making some chicken nuggets. Kind of taking a slow afternoon. We had lunch here at the Airbnb, hung around, enjoyed our view for a while, and then we also walked down to the beach, took a little walk, had coffees in the afternoon, and now we are going out to dinner to the same restaurant we went to last night. Probably won't film, we're just kind of trying to enjoy our last full day in Okregorni.